Okay, I
Oh,
think
we're
we're
live.
live.
Great.
Hi, and hello, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
2017. I'm Juice Guru Steve Prussack.
And I am Julie Prussack.
Together we are destroying the kitchen. Destroying the cruelty-free zone. Sorry about that. But together we are the authors of best-selling book in 2016, Juice Guru, Transform Your Life by Adding One Juice a Day. Thank you for making this a best-selling book.
Yeah. So we're really excited.
Yeah.
So today,
What do we got today?
It's our first live stream of the new year, and it's our first Manic Monday of the new year.
Right, and it is. This is, New Year's. This is a crazy time of the year, even for us, right? Your parents are coming in.
That's right. So that's what we're going to talk about today, because right now my parents just flew in from New Jersey. Our house is crazy. We've got my son Eli home for still on his break, for winter break. So how in the world are we going to juice? Well, we're going to talk about that today, right?
Right. We're going to show you how to make a super easy juice and how, because we've been challenged. People are asking us, does it really take less than about 5-10 minutes to clean the juicer? We're going to show you. I'm going to get this juicer cleaned in about 4 minutes on this live stream. So we've got everything laid out. Let's talk about what we're going to juice, and then I think we can get right into it. Right, Julie?
Right. Well, first of all, we have selected a juice that...
Oh, I see the audience is gathering. Hello to our friends. Hey, everyone's coming in.
So today we've chosen a juice that's super easy to make, as well as we're going to show you how easy it is to clean the juicer. So that's start to finish, prep, juicing time, and cleanup time. Really easy using the slow start today.
Exactly. Okay, so the ingredients we've got Fuji apples. These are great blood sugar regulators. What else do we got with these?
They lower your cholesterol. Of course,
That's
they're
right.
just like all fruits and vegetables. They're anti-inflammatory, which is great for fighting disease.
Okay, so don't be afraid of the sugar in your apples. We're talking about cold-pressed, fresh juice. It's okay to have a little bit of sugar from here. Next, we've got lemons. Now, you can see I peeled them already. They've got the white pith intact. There's some phytonutrients in that. These are great anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antimicrobial.
Right, and they're also full of vitamin C. Now, we know vitamin C helps keep us healthy this time of year, boosts our immunity, but also keeps your skin looking nice and young because it really boosts your collagen.
Right, and we want that as we age. Next, we've got, and we make it super easy. We've got the spinach. It's already triple washed. We got it right from the local market. It's ready to go. We can just throw it right in. And how funny that your mom's there. How's your mom watching? We were just saying how your parents are coming in, and I see your mom's watching from
Because
the airport.
we told them, wait, finish eating breakfast, and then come over. We're going to do our live stream first. It's Manic Monday.
Okay, so we got the spinach, and this is great source of iron, folic acid, and the chlorophyll, which is close to our blood hemoglobin, and it's great for our circulation. So
and there was a new study about leafy greens, just how amazing leafy greens are for your body, for keeping healthy, for staying young. So you really, not every juice, but most juices and your daily juice should really include lots of leafy greens.
So we get it ready. Now we're going to show you how fast this is. We're using our TriBest Slow Star vertical juicer. It's on right now, so you can hear how quiet it is. I've got it right here on the counter. It's vertical, sits upright. I love that part. I'm going to use this apple corer right here. I find it's very easy to just core the apple that way.
Right, because we don't want to put the cores in. We want to keep those seeds out. So just of the apple, because there's a little bit of arsenic in it.
Can we see?
Yeah. Well, so Stephen is coring them, so it's one step. So it's very easy. Now for me, it's a little harder to core. So I just use a knife, a nice sharp knife, like our ceramic knife we have from TriBest. Right
here.
That also you can use, but we use that also to slice our lemons. You're going to notice that the lemons. Oh, see, you already talked about that.
Yeah, so the pith was on there.
Right.
And I'm cutting it in half. And you can see these juicers, they just sit upright on your counter. So if you have a small kitchen, it's perfect. We don't have the biggest kitchen here. Now look, I'm going to put in just a couple handfuls of this. I want to get that chlorophyll. I want to get those greens. And some juicers, like the less expensive ones, they're not going to handle those greens well. You pick up one of those, I won't mention any names, I guess. Right? You're a lawyer. Am I allowed to mention names?
Let's just stick with the fact that the Slow Star really handles it well. And you may see in the background there, we have also our lead out, because when we talk about making daily juice a habit that you keep for life, we always keep all of our juicers out on the counter. Now you may not switch back and forth like we do. We'll use the Elite if we're going to make tons and tons of juice, or we really want to get the most out of our produce. The Slow Start is fantastic if your excuse is, I just don't have the time. I can whip this out and make this juice for my son on a school morning, start to finish, including cleaning the juicer in 15 minutes.
Right.
And we're making a little bit more juice than I would make for him, so the juicing time is going to take a little bit longer.
Right.
But if you're
what I
making
was
small
saying
quantities,
before about the greens, you can see, like Julie was just saying, it just does it better, but you can see that there's green juice in there. If you use those low quality juicers, you're not going to see the green in your juice because you're going to see it in your pulp. Now look how dry that pulp is coming out. I don't know if you can see that here at home. Go ahead and type in, let me know, but that is really dry pulp. And we can use this for stir fries. It doesn't have to go to waste. We can saute it with some coconut oil, some quinoa, brown rice, protein of your choice, and have a nice stir fry. What else, Julie? Soups?
yes, it makes it good for a soup stock. But if you don't want to cook it up, if you are a person who likes to garden, grow your own herbs. We've got some basil growing in our kitchen right now. I don't know if you saw that, but it makes great compost. You can compost it, and it's super amazing.
Look, so I'm going to get some more greens in there. It's amazing what this is going to do for our body. This is really going to be what sustains us from this juice, the greens. They give us so much energy. And, we mentioned the vitamin and mineral nutrients. So I can't think of any other way to start the year than putting this into our body today, right, Julie?
No, I can't think of a better way. And what I want to show you is
Yes.
look how quickly. We had a lot of apples. How many apples did we have?
Oh, we had 7.
7 apples. So we're down to 4 already.
And look how little, we don't have much left. This was full.
And that's
So-
right. We didn't have to prep that. We didn't have to clean it. We didn't have to cut it. So if your excuse, remember, we're trying to bust all those excuses about daily juicing. Your excuse is, I just don't have time to juice. This takes away your excuse, okay? Get
Right.
it already prepped.
And I'll tell you, how long did it take us to prep before we went live? I would say probably about 5 minutes.
Yep.
We just rinsed everything off and we're good to go.
And of course, we took the outer layer off of the outer skin off of the lemons that we're using.
You can actually use the skin of the lemon if you want to. I love this. Did your mom type something in there?
Let me see. Couldn't wait to see you, so we're streaming this.
Oh, okay.
They flew all the way into New Jersey, and we said, wait, we got a
They
dramatic
didn't
Monday.
fly into New Jersey.
From New Jersey, I said.
Oh, I think you said into New Jersey.
No, in from New Jersey.
Like I wrote in that one email.
That's right.
All right,
Yeah.
so, I think they want to see when they can actually come in. It's right where, when can we actually go?
That's right. So we are almost done.
We're almost done already,
That's
believe it or not.
amazing.
And and this, we're obviously making a lot of juice here. This juice is going to be enough for Julie and I, plus her son Eli, if he wants to have some. He's in the other room. He didn't want to come on camera.
No, he's not feeling great. He pulled a muscle jumping at a fair yesterday. Right here in California, we don't have any snow, so we have to manufacture it and go fake sledding.
Right? I love it. Now this juice actually is almost good to go, and really what we're motivated to do is get you juicing this year, okay? That's really what we're behind. That's our ulterior motive here. It's fun to sit here and talk to you, but we want to get you juicing. We want to help you make this into a habit and motivate you because there's so many benefits to juicing. Julie, you want to share some of them?
Of course, we talk about this, but we can always talk about it. So one of the things is, we're in the winter time,
We might
right?
have people watching that never saw.
That's right. And of course, we want to stay healthy. So there is nothing like a fresh juice. Oh, we use the no drip spout to turn that. Okay.
Right, I use the no drip spout, but
there
I
is
still
nothing-
a little more juice. I'm gonna make this just for Eli because he likes the sweet stuff. I'm gonna make him just a fresh glass. Look at that. That's just apple juice. So if you have a child at home, this is great. Eli, you want to come? I'm making you some apple juice here. You want to come try it? Let everyone know what you think.
So I was saying the benefits of juicing, right? Nothing like juicing to boost your immunity, keep you healthy, helps to prevent disease.
Boom.
Almost everything we have here, the apples themselves help prevent some kinds of cancers. Certainly the leafy greens do that. So we're talking about really keeping healthy. Plus, it ups your energy. I mean, there is nothing like the boost of energy you get from a fresh daily green juice.
And that's the apple juice I made. Child-friendly, ready to go. We'll put some greens in there sometimes, but it's okay right now.
So why don't we show them how fast, which is the whole point, how fast it is to clean this juicer.
Okay, this juicer, I'll just stir it and we're ready to go, okay?
That's right.
But you want to back up and I'll show you, because we've got the sink here, and I'm going to just show you start to finish how long it will take to clean this juicer. You ready?
Okay.
So,
we're gonna first let's show them what we're going to be using to clean the juicer. So we have this is the key to making it really fast, right? That is the extra large brush that you can get from Tribest.
And this is the brush too, so this gets into the nooks and crannies. Okay, Julie, I'm going to start.
Let's go. Ready? You turn on the water.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Okay,
Part 1.
So this, just the brush. I don't want to get any water splashing towards that camera. Towards my phone, I would say, right?
Okay, so that part is now rinsed.
So we have right next to the kitchen, right next to the sink, we've got this dish. What do you call that?
Drying rack.
Right, and that's all you need, you know.
Yeah, you don't want to put
put
your pieces, no matter what juicer you have. You don't want to put the pieces of your juicer into a machine. That you definitely don't want to do.
So I rinse off the blade. That's the blade of the juicer. You can see there's only a few parts to this juicer. And that's really one of the tricks that makes it easy. So when you're looking for a juicer, you want to make sure there's not a lot of moving parts, because that's going to slow you down. Now, here's the main base of the juicer. You want to make sure the plunger is out, and I am going to just scoop out the inside, scoop out the inside.
So the pulp is really easy to remove just by scooping it out with the back of the brush.
Right? And I love it. I love it because it's easy. You know, when I used to have, labor-intensive juicers, I didn't juice as much because it's just like, I'll just buy one. I'll just buy a juice out there in the market because this is such a pain. This makes it so easy. So this was always the hardest part, and it's because of this that it makes it super easy to clean the blade. This was always, and by the way,
I'm on
the screen. And this is the last actual part of cleaning, believe it or not, Julie.
And we're down to, I think, maybe...
How long has it been?
2 or 3 minutes?
2 or 3 minutes. So it was funny, someone sent me an email like, there's no way that can take you 5 minutes to clean. And I say, once you get used to your juicer and doing this, absolutely yes. And it's just, I'm scrubbing it because we want to make sure that there's no pulp in the grooves here, because that's going to ruin your next juice. You don't want anything rancid in your juice. So I'm going to make sure everything's out. And you know what? It is. I'm going to put it in here. And I'll just put on the garbage disposal and rinse everything down. Okay? And that's really it.
That's it.
This I'm going to refrigerate for later because we might use it in a soup or something like that. I'll just put some foil over it. We'll put it in the refrigerator. But that's how easy it is. And that's why we call this video...
No excuse juicing. That's right.
Because it really is super easy to make a juice. And that right now, I mean, should we stick with them? We'll pour it and drink it and try it, or
I think that's it. I think we made our point.
We made our point, and look how much juice we made in that amount of time, ready to go, fresh. And I'm just really excited about it. So, no excuse juicing this year in 2017. We want to do it with you. Stick with us. Our website is juiceguru.com. Just go there, get our template recipe. It's everything you need to start juicing. It's free. It's actually featured in our book, Juice Guru, Transform Your Life by Eating 1 Juice a Day. It's the only juice recipe you need. You don't need the book. You just need that recipe. Get it on our website free at juiceguru.com. You'll be on our email list. You'll hear our daily inspirations. We'll be with you throughout the year. That's what it's all about, motivating and being part of the tribe. Right, babe?
That's right. And don't forget, we'll be here next Manic Monday with something new.
Every Monday. So also get on our list at juicegurutv.com if you want to be notified about these streams, and you can join us live, whatever it is. We'll let you know when we release something. We're here to be with you. Anything to say in closing?
No.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for tuning in, and Happy New Year.
Just, you know what? Right below, while you're watching this video, if you have anything else that you think is an excuse that we need to address for you so you get juicing this year.
Great idea. And I see some of our friends have checked in and joined. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.